Getting into the trunk of the CRV can be done a few different ways. There's a button just to the left-hand side of the steering wheel. You can use the key fob to do it. Just underneath the Honda badge in the back, there's a button there that you can push. And then there's also the option for a hands-free liftgate in some trims. And in order to use it, all you're gonna do is swipe your foot underneath. As long as you've got the key fob on you, up it goes. Off to the right side, there's a little light and a woofer. The setup back there is going to depend on the trim level that you're in. And then along the left side, there's a 12-volt power point along with a light. This one has the little thermoplastic rubber tray you're gonna find from the factory. And these little guys are so useful. If you get muddy things back here, snow, whatever the case may be, it's so easy to just take this out and spray it down. Then one thing you're not gonna find inside of the hybrid is going to be a mini spare tire. But it does have an inflator kit. So along the left-hand side, there's a little cover that you can remove, and that's gonna show you the little white spigot along with the little inflator kit. And then folding down the second row seats inside of the ride can be done from the trunk if you can reach it, because the seats can actually be reclined. So when you go to push down, you really got to kind of push yourself into the trunk in order to fold them down back here. But you can fold down the left or the right sides independently. And if you don't need to get into the trunk, not a big deal, because you can easily fold them down from the second row instead. And there's a great amount of cargo space inside of this ride. The measurements that you're looking at, specifically behind the first row seats, are going from right where the liftgate would close to just in behind that little armrest between the first row seats. So if the driver's seat, passenger seat in the first row, or back a little bit, or forwards, you gain or lose a little bit of extra space. And while it's not a completely flat fold for the trunk, it's still pretty solid amount of space back here. When you go to lift the seat up, it's actually kind of interesting. Since the seat can be reclined, when you go to lift it up, it's gonna stop part way. So you just have to grab the little tab along the top in order to push it back into your ideal position. And then another cool thing is that the trunk here, so the liftgate, is actually as high up as it's going to go. You can manually lower or raise it. And there's a button on the outside here that you can push and hold if you wanted to set it at a lower height. So if you can't reach it, you can set it at a lower height and it's not gonna open up past that point.